That's me, Lumpawi. What's up, little stinkers? We've got another box, which is very silly. So, yeah. That was easy. Kind of. Okay, maybe not. And don't mind the freaking marker on my hand. That's awesome. Ah, hit the stand. Oh my gosh, I see toys. That's so silly. Because toys are funny. They feel kind of crushed in here, not gonna lie. I hit the stand again. I really don't want to cut my toys. Okay. Ah! Okay, whatever. Oh boy, alright. Let's start here. We've got Stinky Link. Huh, that's weird. Okay. That's out of the way. Okay, now we got this one. That's Stinky. Get out of the way. And then we got a frickin' these ones. Which these are what? Friggin' 2009 Kelly toy. Yes, they're Kelly toy. 2009 Goldie Mario and Luigi. So yeah, see they got the wooden they've got the cardboard shoes, so that's cool. And then we got Cine Waluigi. This is in actually pretty good condition. He's soft. Anyways, the thing everyone's been wanting to see. We got a freaking Junior. He looks kind of sad. But yeah, this is really another understuffed. Okay, whatever. This is 2009 Junior. The one literally every single person in the world wants. He looks really sad. But yeah. I don't know if I want to sell this one yet. But yeah. He looks sad. But yeah, anyways. That's that. We've Sorry. We've got Mario Bros. These guys smell really horribly. We've got Waluigi where I like eating children. Oh, that's sussy. Like the imposter. But yeah, this was pretty epic. I got it for about $60 on eBay, with the shipping being like $10, so about what, $50. Not bad, because people want to overprice Junior a lot for like. I'm gonna put a listing on the screen right now. It's not over yet, so it's like a bid, but I can't tell if it's a fake bid. But so who knows? But people are freaking crazy. So yeah. But yeah, that's that. Taco soup, avocado, cheese.